Which compass is actually good for your outdoor adventures? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can help you navigate with confidence. Product number 1, geocaching Outdoor Compass. First up is the geocaching Outdoor Compass. Priced at just $3.99, this little gem caught my eye for its multi-functional features and waterproof design. If you want something reliable for your hiking trips, this is worth a serious look. The geocaching compass is designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. It's waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about rain ruining your navigation. The map scale of 1:24,000 helps you read topographical maps with precision, ensuring you know exactly where you are. Plus, it comes with a magnifier, making it easier to read those tiny map details. The professional-grade build is robust enough for camping and military use, making it perfect for anyone who loves venturing off the beaten path. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Accuracy matters when you're out there, and this compass will help you stay on track. However, some users mention that the needle can be slow to respond at times. Here's the thing though, if you're in a pinch, a little patience goes a long way. Just hold it steady, and you'll get your direction. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or simply need a reliable tool for occasional hikes. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced with extensive features. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style, the next product is a decorative yet functional option. Product number 2, Resima Nautical Compass. Next, we have the Resima Black Metal Nautical Compass, priced at $18.89. I was drawn to its exquisite design and durable metal construction. If you want something that adds a touch of nautical flair to your space, this is worth a serious look. This compass isn't just a decoration. It's crafted from high-quality iron with a rustic design that instantly elevates any room. Whether you hang it in your living room or office, it's sure to catch the eye. The powder-coated finish ensures it's not just pretty, but also resistant to rust. It's lightweight and easy to install, making it accessible for anyone looking to spruce up their decor. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It adds character to your home while serving as a great conversation starter. On the downside, a few buyers reported that it can arrive slightly deformed from shipping. Here's the thing. It's easy to adjust back into shape, and once you do, it's a stunning piece. This is perfect for you if you love nautical themes or want a unique wall decoration. Skip this one if you're looking for a functional compass for navigation. It's a stylish addition that offers good value for the craftsmanship. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a compact solution. Product number 3, JSD Metal Survival Compass. Coming in at number 3 is the JSD Metal Survival Compass for $7.99. Its compact design and high-quality build caught my attention. If you're after something portable that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This compass features a precise needle that gives you accurate readings, which is crucial when you're navigating through the wilderness. The mirror-finished metal case not only looks nice, but is also durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in your pocket, making it an ideal companion on hikes, camping trips, or any adventure outdoors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you need to find your way, you want something reliable that you can carry easily. However, some users pointed out that the compass needs to be placed on a level surface to function properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you're aware of this and use it correctly, it won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, portable compass without spending too much. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features. It's a solid choice for the price and functionality. Now, if you're looking for something more educational and fun, the next product is a great option for kids. Product number 4, Kubigo Mini Compass Set. Next up is the Kubigo Mini Compass Set, priced at $4.99 for a pack of 10. What intrigued me was its colorful design and educational potential. If you're looking for a fun way to teach kids about navigation, this is worth a serious look. This set features mini compasses in 9 vibrant colors, which makes outdoor learning fun for kids aged 5 to 12. Each compass is lightweight and comes with a sturdy strap, perfect for attaching to backpacks or keychains. They're not just toys. They can help kids learn basic navigation skills while having a blast outdoors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Encouraging adventure and exploration in kids is crucial for their development. That said, some parents mention that the compasses are a bit small and easy to misplace. Here's the thing. Their compact size makes them convenient to carry. Just keep an eye on them during outings, and you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're a parent looking to spark your child's interest in the outdoors. Skip this one if you need a serious tool for navigation. The value for the cost is fantastic for educational purposes. Finally, if you want something more versatile for various outdoor activities, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5. RulkSmart Waterproof Compass Set. Last but not least is the RulkSmart Waterproof Compass Set, priced at $9.99 for a pack of 4. The adjustable declination feature really caught my eye. If you're after multiple compasses for different activities, this is worth a serious look. Each compass in this set offers accurate readings with a precise needle and rotating bezel, essential for reliable navigation. The durable construction ensures they can withstand the rigors of the outdoors, making them perfect for hiking, camping, or survival situations. Plus, the integrated ruler makes route mapping straightforward. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're navigating through forests or mountains, having accurate tools can make all the difference in your experience. However, some users noted that the compasses can be a bit bulky compared to others. Here's the thing though, the accuracy and additional features make it worth carrying a little extra weight. This is perfect for you if you need multiple compasses for group outings or educational purposes. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-lightweight options. For the price, you're getting excellent functionality and reliability. Now that we've covered all 5 compasses, let's wrap this up. So, to recap, we explored the Tricosemp Outdoor Compass for its reliability, the stylish Resima Nautical Compass that adds charm to your decor, the compact JSD Metal Compass perfect for portability, the fun Kubigo Mini Compass set for kids, and the versatile RulkSmart Waterproof Compass set for group adventures. Each has its strengths and fits different needs. Choose the one that speaks to your outdoor adventures the most.